Oh, that smells good. Smells good. Anyway, how you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Great recipe, delicious recipe. It's an American staple. And when I first had these 20 years ago, when I first came to this country, I was in heaven. Sloppy Joes, they were just fantastic. Normally you just buy them in a can and they don't really taste good. They don't. Well, the first one I had was in a can and I thought that was delicious. But obviously you make it from scratch and it's a game changer. Beautiful. So yeah, I've got an unboxing and I'm going to make the Sloppy Joes on this. And it's from Buydeem. And I've reviewed some of their products before. I reviewed their tea maker and their steamer. So links below if you want to watch them. Really good products, and I've still got them. I use them to this day. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and I'm going to cook with it and we'll see what it's like. Honest opinion, they haven't paid me to do this. They just sent me them. I thought, yeah, why not? Be great for the greenhouse. So yeah, let's crack on. Yeah, it looks great. So I'm just going to dive in, get cooking with it and tell you my thoughts after. Okay, let's see what she can do. She has 5 programmable cooking functions. I'll tell you the 5 later. I use the sear saute mode, on high. Add olive oil to a pan, followed by ground beef. I use chuck. Next, dice onion and add to the pan. Now cook until the beef is golden brown. When golden brown, drain the fat. You will need the little mittens because the handles get very hot, so be careful. Next, add tomato sauce, followed by ketchup, water, brown sugar, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a dash of red wine vinegar, yellow mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and flour. Now stir well. I use the slow cooker mode on low for 4 hours. Lid on and forget about it. The cooker has 5 programmable functions. Slow cook, high or low, sear saute, high or low, braise, bean and soup. Complete the entire cooking process in one pot. No need for stovetop transfers. It has 24-hour maximum cooking duration, 8-hour customizable keep warm, and supports all cookware materials, which I'm pretty happy about. It has 3 heating settings, 2 temperature settings for cooking and keep warm for after cooking. It also comes with a 4.7 quart cast aluminium non-stick stockpot, and it's suitable for all stoves: gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. When I removed that lid, the smell was amazing. I do like buns with Sloppy Joes, but for me, it has to be Texas toast. Whack them in the air fryer on toast mode until golden brown. Add the Sloppy Joes. Cheese. Now on grill mode, melt the cheese and serve. That is delicious. Sloppy Joes on Texas toast with cheese. Can't beat that. Anyway, about the induction, the slow cooker, I've made some notes in case I just forgot. I just dived in, used it. It's pretty easy to use, to be honest with you. Talking points, the light handles get hot. So yes, these get hot, really get hot. So be careful with that. And also, I thought these were funny, little cute things, but you need, I'll be using these quite a lot. So you need these a lot. I'll be using the saute mode and it got to temp pretty quick. There's a low and there's a high and it got to temp pretty quick. So I'm impressed with that. It maintains a good heat and it's very powerful, really powerful. I was impressed how powerful this was. Easy to use, yeah. It's so easy to use. Anybody can use this. So, I mean, you know, that's a good feature. Anybody can use it. Impressed with that. Looks great in the greenhouse. Does. Teal, nice. Teal. Looks good. Yes, I like the idea you can use it with different pans, so you don't need to use this. You can have your own pans and it'll work just as good. Yeah, I was using the mittens a lot. So yeah, as I said before, I was using these a lot, but you need these. All right, so final thoughts. It's really good. It cooks good. It's powerful. I don't know how long it'll last, but I'm going to be using this in the greenhouse. It's convenient for me. Nice induction. I like the idea you can use different pans and not that. It cooked the sloppy joes really, really well. I put it on saute, really did a good job. Then slow cook. Good. All the information is down below if you want one. Buydeem are good products. Like I said, I've got their steamer and I've got their teapot. Tea steamer, whatever it is, it's good. They're good, and that was 4 years on. So, and they're still working just as good. So, yeah, highly recommend. Get one. Like I said, all the information is down below. So, click on them links. Thanks, guys.